Satish Ulatin. I'm the co-founder and technical consultant for Learning Solutions. So we have our first batch students who have undergone their automotive product design course. So this is a session where they will share their feedback.
Uh, I'm currently doing my BTech from NIT Agartala, and I'm interested in automobile design.
And I'm currently doing my BTech in NIT Agartala as well. And same as I have my interest in automobile design, and that is the reason why I took this uh, training session, automotive product design.
Yes. Sagnik,
So my BTech in mechanical engineering from NIT Agartala, and I had my keen interest in automotive product design from the very beginning, and so I chose this training.
okay.
As I said, sir, like I had my interest in automotive design, but when I was going through Google and everything to find more about this, it was very hard to find subject knowledge about this topic. And in YouTube also, the only thing available is how to model something using SolidWorks or something. So at that time, I came across this training session from Sagnik Bhaiya, and
Okay.
when I read through the brochure, I found that it was interesting, so I joined.
Great.
Previous experiences, I want to elaborate my limits in learning regarding design products and etc. So during that time, I wanted to have a training session or some internship session, and because of this, our situations, I had to. Sagnik has told me regarding this thing, so I had to take up this thing where I learned a lot of things regarding design products and etc. Like those things.
Okay. Great.
Sir, like I have learned the SolidWorks and AutoCAD,
Okay.
but like there were certain limitations just learning these because I knew how to design something or like how to like design and get a model in using SolidWorks or CAD.
Okay.
But the limitation was that I didn't know, like I had my interest in automobile industry from the very beginning. So I wanted to learn about like the process, how they are manufactured, the rules and regulations that are considered during the manufacture of the vehicle or so. So these were some things that I think AutoCAD and SolidWorks, just learning AutoCAD and SolidWorks won't help.
Okay.
So that's why I took this training, and it helped me a lot in knowing all these things, increasing my knowledge in certain dimensions. So I think like it has served the purpose. I joined this session.
Great. 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 Thank you, Sabni. Yeah, so you people having spent around almost, I think, 3 to 4 weeks with us.
Yes.
So on finishing the course, like what was the ultimate takeaway from this course?
Before starting the course, sir, I had a very less idea about the concept creation, then basic design thinking, then I told only the mandatory regulations that were followed. I had very few idea about like how are these made or what are the factors that are taken into consideration. So after taking this course, the outcome is that like I have good knowledge about this now.
Great.
So I can like if I want, I can just go for it, go for this course. I can take it to another level if I want now. I
Great.
got the basic knowledge, so that's
Fantastic.
the.
Nice. Nice. So, what are you about to say?
Yes, sir. The course it helped me in regarding my way of thinking in regarding certain product design uh, basically previously I didn't know what are the steps that include in a product design, or what are the industrial experiences that will be happening in real life industry. So during this course I came to learn regarding these things, and what generally a product designer need to think, and what generally a part need to be undergone for certain stages in order to get it designed and developed. So all these criterias I have came to know, and these are this helped me a lot in my way of thinking regarding these things.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you. So, Arjun, so this is a different question for you. So, like, what is your message for your friends or colleagues who are means those who are doing their graduation in mechanical engineering or production engineering. So your thought process, or what is your word of advice for them, those who are passionate to take up their career into this design field? So you got to say something on this?
Yes, sir. From my personal experience, like interacting with my friends and everything, the main problem is that everyone starts learning CAD, and after learning CAD, even including myself, thought that this is enough.
Okay.
But after taking this course, I was able to understand the real things that go behind developing a product. And
Okay.
I would suggest my friends and colleagues that taking up a course like this would be beneficial because it gives more insight into what is happening on an industry level. And I
Great.
think that is very beneficial.
Great. Your colleague.
Sir, I would say that it is a very like recommended course from me. I would recommend my colleagues, my juniors, and all for this course because the one thing I liked the most about this course was the design of the modules. Like it was designed in such a way that you should like start. I can get means start from the scratch and I get the basic knowledge. Like the first module, then this I like most about this,
Great.
and I would recommend like anyone who is interested in automotive product design to go for this course.
Okay. So thanks a lot, Arjun Rocker.